This came up fast again. What does that mean? That's a bullish indicator. Yes. Entering now. I'm going to put my stop just below it. What is it? There it goes. There it is. See? 14-cent trailing stop. I'm way late to that party. What I should have done is had a stop right here below this, right? But that is good. To me, I would do that. That is looking very bullish. You can see the drive back up on this candle and have your stop right here, right below it. You see how it's still to the upside?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It doesn't get any better than that.
Okay.
Now right here, I could collect. I mean, I'm already up $70. I could collect, but I have a trailing stop because I'll just let it run the rest of the day, right? And now we're getting set up to go back to the downside. This is not it yet. Do you see it? I have to wait for the next candle only because this isn't long enough. That's not strong conviction. Do you see how this was green? As soon as this candle, though, if it breaks below this previous body right here, as soon as it breaks that to the downside, I'm going short. Do you see it? Otherwise, I don't touch it yet. This is not confirmation to the downside.